It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a product review slash testing video on the well, it's not new, I think it's been out about a month, but the Morphe 10G Glsen palette that they released. I believe this is a collaboration with Pride, and it is just beautiful. This is obviously just the outer packaging, and it's got this gorgeous rainbow pattern on it, and then inside we have this, which is lovely sort of holographic iridescent packaging with the rainbow on it again. And then inside we have these gorgeous colours. I have swatched these because I did a little swatching picture for my Instagram, but we've got kind of 5, they're not matte, they've got a slight shimmer going through them, and then we've got these pressed glitters. These ones actually interest me more than these, if I'm honest. I've never really been a huge fan of pressed glitters. I just don't find that they really sit on my skin very well, but I will nevertheless try them out today. So these colours here are really nice. They swatch so buttery, really nice. So yeah, like that, really nice. But anyway, so I'm gonna try these out, so if that's something that you fancy watching, then please stay tuned. Right, okay, so I'm gonna try and do a little bit of like a rainbowy type look, I think, today with these. Just yeah, because I want to. So yeah. Right, so I've already done my base. I've primed my eyelids as well with P. Louise Rima 0.5. And I'm going to start off. I'm going to start off on my outer corner here. I'm going to go in with this lovely blue shade, which is called Inspire Change. I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush. So we've got that one. We'll see what it's like. Cute. I really like that blue actually. Yeah, nice. Right. So the next one I'm going to go in with, I think I'll do, I'm going to do this orange, so this one here, which is called Blaze a Trail. I'll just clean my brush off and then I'm just picking it up on the same brush. Oh, that's pretty. I like that one. They're a little bit more, they're very pastel-y, they're a bit more understated than I expected them to be honest. I'm just going to try and go in with my finger. Whoops. That's better. Right, I'm just going to blend it a bit. Yeah, that's better. Right, I want to do the same with the blue now. Okay, yeah, that's much better. Right, then on this inner part, I'm going to go in, I'm going to try the yellow. I'm always a bit funny with yellows. They never seem to really show up on me. So hopefully this one will. I'm going to go straight in with my finger this time. struggling with my finger there. I think my nails are a bit long. So I'm just going to try it with a wet brush instead. That's nice. I quite like how these are blending together. They're actually really quite pretty. Because it's got that little bit of shimmer in it, it almost makes it a little bit more forgiving. It's not like a flat sort of colour that you have to be a bit more careful with the blend. When it's got a bit of shimmer in it, kind of, you know, makes it a bit easier. Right, okay, so then underneath, what I'm going to do is go in with, I'm going to go underneath with the purple shade on the end here, Accept Everyone, on my pencil brush. I think I'm going to, no, I'm going to go straight in and see what it's like first. It's quite pigmented. Right, so I'm going to go underneath.
The same things. I want to escape now to another place now. But with you, 'cause
And then on the inner part here, I'm going to go in with that pink on the end, the other end. This one here, Keep It Kind. Oh, I like the name of that one. Right, so I'm going in with the same pencil brush. That's cute. Really like that. Yeah. I almost feel I don't actually want to use any of those glitters, so I actually quite like the way it's gone. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this one here on the end, Respect, which is kind of like a multicoloured glitter. I really hope this doesn't ruin it. I'm just taking it on a wet pencil brush again. Wet it a bit more. I'm just going to kind of pop a little bit on the edge.
like the city, but I am tired.
Like that. That's actually really quite cute. Just a little bit. Right. Yeah, I'm just going to pop a little bit here as well. I'm having far too much fun with this. You can always tell when I'm really concentrating on doing a makeup bit there because I go really, really quiet. I just can't concentrate and talk, I don't think, at the same time.
Take me to your arms and never leave me. Don't leave me.
There we go. Yeah. Right, so I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. Right, okay, so here we go. Mascara's on now. I popped a little bit of, there's a Colourpop Pale Blue eyeliner on my waterline as well, and just popped some lippy on. So yeah, and this is what we've ended up with. Really, really like it. Let me show you the eyes close up. Yeah, really, really, really like this palette actually. Even the pressed glitter surprised me. The colours here, like the shimmery ones, they definitely went on better with a finger, but then they were so easy to blend together. As I say, they're really velvety texture, so they blend so lovely. And obviously the pressed glitter that I put on here, I did really, well, my brush was actually soaking wet when I put it on. So yeah, but they seem to have worked quite well. I think as a little bit of glitter, it'd be interesting to see what it'd be like as a really solid block of glitter, say on your eyelid or something. May take a bit of building up, but just a little bit like that, it's gone on quite nicely. So yeah, overall, really, really like it. Happy I bought it, and I will use it again. So So yeah, I hope you found this useful and you enjoyed watching, and if you did, obviously please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching, bye!